Hello, I'm Fernando from Smart Restaurant Supply. Your drink menu relies heavily on the glass that you use. You can reduce breakage and save on costs with G.E.T's plastic durable drinkware. As you can see, Smart carries a variety of different pieces from G.E.T, like this wine glass, beer glasses, tumblers for everyday service, and even margarita glasses. So no matter the use, we've got you covered. Each of these pieces are made from durable plastic that can withstand a drop. It's break resistant to most daily rigors, giving you lasting use of each of them and reduced costs. And last but not least, although these are made from durable plastic, they still give you the crystal clear glass look, so it doesn't inhibit on your presentation and still gives your customers the best drinking experience they possibly can have. If you like this video and want more content like it, follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to shop the products in this video and thousands more, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today or shop online at asmart.com.